Hey, beautiful soul. You're listening to the Rising into Mindful Motherhood podcast, your weekly dose of fertility wisdom. I'm your host, Dr. Katie Wood. I'm a barefoot mama bear, pharmacist, and integrative fertility coach. This is your go-to podcast for all things to naturally nourish your fertility, embody womb healing, and reclaim your feminine power to accelerate your path to pregnancy. My expert guests and I will be having intentional conversations to discuss the many facets of a thriving, fertile foundation, natural wellness, and how we grow and transform as women on our journey to motherhood. So let's dive in, shall we? Hello and welcome to Rising into Mindful Motherhood. I am so pumped and grateful to have you here because I've got something really juicy and exciting to share with you that's going to help you succeed on your fertility journey. So whether this is your first time tuning in or you've been listening for a while, I want to let you in on some important updates about the direction of this podcast. Changes that are being intentionally made with you in mind to support you when I know that you feel like you've been doing all the things to grow your family, but still haven't gotten the right answers and solutions you need. This podcast is officially getting a refresh, and I'm so excited to share with you. Over the next few weeks, you'll notice a few updates and changes. For one, I'll be getting more specific on how I support you on your fertility journey and how you can get the most out of the podcast for you personally, since the podcast will now be focused on helping women identify the real reasons you haven't conceived or stayed pregnant, so you and your partner can finally grow the family of your dreams. I'll also be doing mini supplements and nutrient deep dives, as well as debunking fertility myths and misconceptions, so you can feel good about taking proven action steps to optimize your fertility. I'm really looking forward to launching these changes for you, so be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Rising into Mindful Motherhood podcast. If this episode resonated with you or gave you an aha moment, stop what you're doing right now and write a review. This simple act of kindness helps me get this podcast out to connect with as many women as I possibly can. I also have a special offer. If you send me a screenshot of your review, I will take $250 off one of my premium coaching containers. Let me know what resonated with you the most and why. So connect with me in my free Facebook community or tag me on Instagram. You'll find both listed below. Thanks again from the bottom of my heart for tuning in to this episode, and I'll see you next time.